pretty, huh? You ready to go in there? Let's see. Okay. There you go. There you go, good boy. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. Want to come out? Nope? Okay. You're in gym. You're not. Come out by yourself if you want to. Come out by yourself if you want to. Hmm? You're going this way? See this new place? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Yeah. 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 Oh, such a good boy you are. Huh? Such a good boy you are. Oh, yeah, sit down though. Yeah. That's my good boy. Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. Good boy. I love you. I love you. You're such a good one. You want to come down here? Yeah. You can. Or wait. You can wait. I love you. I love you. Would you like this? Would you like that? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Look that way. We'll close this a little. And you won't go flying down that way. You won't go flying down that way and get scared. Good bird. You're such a handsome man. You're so handsome. You're handsome. Yeah, that's your new house. Yeah. That's a nice new house. What do you think of all that, huh? What do you think? Look in here. Wow. Love the little shoes. There's yummy food. What kind of toys? Your original toy? Okay. There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can come out if you want to. Now you're shy about it? You're a good boy. Are you happy sitting there? Oh, I see. I see. What you doing, hmm? Any scratches? Any scratches? Yeah. Oh, good boy. You're so handsome. You're such a good boy. You're my man. You're my good man. You're a good boy. Look at all those pretty feathers. Look at all those pins on there. Look at that. What's that? Hmm? What is that? Hello. Hello, good boy. Hello, good boy. You can just step right on there. You can step down there and come down there and then right in there. Mm-hmm. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. It's your new house. What do you think? It's nice. That's pretty nice. You hot? Hmm? You hot? I love you. I love you. No, I'm perfectly alright with you sleeping in there if you want to. I'll put food and water in there. Gosh, your wings have so much red. Oof. You are a gorgeous bird. Wow. Look at that red. Wow. So pretty. That's Loki outside. That's Loki. Loki is crazy. He's a German Shepherd puppy and he's crazy. He'll be barking. Don't worry about it. He can't get in here. Not the first time he looks scared and shaky. Aw. I won't bring him here. There's no dogs allowed. This is a bird house. We rock in the bird house up in here. No dogs. Am I gonna have to put food and water in there and sleep like this with you on my end of my bed? I think maybe you are shy about it now. You tried to get out in the car. You tried to get out in the car. And you put your hand right out to step up. Didn't you? Didn't you? Now, I'm not going. I'm not doing it. What is that there? Are you scared of that? I'll take it away. Look at this cool thing. Little sneakers. We got cork. We got wood. A rope. Lap of luxury. Lap of luxury. Some toys from his cage. Some new toys. His bedtime perch. It's a good boy. Look at this good boy there. Look at that good boy. You can put it back. I'll put it back there. You come? Okay. Good boy. Oh. Good boy. You're okay. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. What do you got going on there, huh? What's that? It's your new house. What is that? It's a little different. You're okay though. Yeah. Yummy. Yummy. You're a good boy. Yep. Yeah, you're a good boy. You can climb around and check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Good boy. He stepped up like a man. You okay? What's going on? Hmm?